Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel, Learn with Jean. In today's video, I am going to give you an overview of the Descript Underlord AI features. All the AI features have been dubbed Underlord, and so I'm going to show you some of the options that are available to you when you are testing out and editing your recording and repurposing your content. What I love about AI Underlord is I can do so much more than what was initially available through Descript. Not only can I remove filler words, I can fix the eye contact if I'm not looking at the camera one moment. I can draft a blog title, I can draft reels. They give me lots of different options. I can even draft descriptions for YouTube videos. This video is going to give you a preview of the AI. Now let's get started. Within this project, what I can also do is ask AI Underlord to help me find a section or clip from this. I can ask AI Underlord to help me find a clip that would be a great point to highlight as a reel. Reels are really effective because they're short and sweet and cut to the chase, because we all know attention is the new challenge and people have short attention spans, and so highlight reels are just great to capture the overall message of your podcast or video. And then I can ask the AI Underlord to find highlights in here that I wanted to repurpose as maybe Twitter tweets or tweets for X or social media graphics. Instagram is really great for that. Some people really like to create graphic cards of reels and images or quotes to really summarize their whole point and message. And then I can also translate into different languages. Keep in mind this is beta, so there's not a whole lot of languages available, but there is some that you can try out, and there might be more coming on later on as the demand for different languages come up. And then when I'm looking to publish this demo video, that's where the publish section options are really effective. I can draft a title, ask Underlord to help me draft a title, summarize this. So maybe I have a long podcast and I want to have show notes or summary notes for my audience to read. So summarize is really good. So if I'm recording a podcast and I want to give a summary and description, I can use summarize to give people a short description and summary of what this episode is about. And then I can also create show notes with transcripts and timestamps, because sometimes people want to go back and listen to a specific section in my podcast, and that's where show notes are really effective. And then for me, I really leverage this specifically for YouTube description and YouTube video title. This is really important for me because sometimes I can run it in ChatGPT, or sometimes I'll come up with my own title, but this is all built within Descript, so I don't need to open a new tab and start up ChatGPT. Instead, I can just leverage AI Underlord to help me draft a YouTube video description. Now, keep in mind with the description, if I want to do this, I always want to help the machine understand what kind of tone, what kind of style, because they don't know me. The more I can give the machine feedback and data, the more it can really improve the description that it generates for me. And then the other effective from the publish is I can take this piece of content and also draft a blog post. So if I'm still blogging, I can take this and summarize a whole blog on Thinkific for others. And then if this is a podcast episode that I'm developing, I can continue to brainstorm and ask AI Underlord to help me generate ideas to make this episode longer. I can ask them to help me fill in sections of my script. I can ask them to even generate an outline for our next podcast episode. And if I thought this was a crappy episode, I can ask them to help me rewrite it. So that's really an overview of Underlord. My favorite really is in the publish section, drafting a video title and YouTube description. Now, I don't really use too much of the reels because I usually have an intuitive sense, but if you're looking to try that out, you can definitely check it out. My sister has used it and it really wasn't her favorite. AI Underlord in that way can be improved and will continue to get better the more we give feedback. Feel free to try this out and let me know which features from Underlord that you like, which ones have been helpful to you, which ones you've used, and any thoughts on this would be great. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.